Thutha wa gikuo kia uria wari mubunge wa Kasipul Ong'ondo Were, ngaheha ni ciyumiritie hindi ya wikia wa kura ya wamurani ya uria ukuhuranira giturwa kiu na kiama kia ODM.
And they already said that they will close the centers by 3. So we're still not sure with this nomination if it is going to be free and fair.
Muri wa mubunge wa tene Boyd Were agithukangirio ngari ciake ni nyanake mathaini ma rucini, na thutha ucio ngari 6 cia mung'ethaniri wake Newton Oganda igithukangio.
To urge everyone, let's keep calm, let's maintain peace, let's embrace peace. At the end of the day, we only need one candidate. Yeah, so the most important thing is peace.
Kiama kia ODM kuhitukira ndumiriri iria gitumeire nyumba cia mohoro gikioro ta Boyd Were na kumukuruhania na ngahiha ici, na waria manyitaga mbaru Boyd makioro ta munini wa gavana wa Homa Bay Joseph Mugwanga na muhuraniri wa giturwa kiu Newton Oganda na kumakuruhania na ngahiha ici.
And we are saying that there is no nomination that has taken place today.
Ndeto ino yukite riri nake mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka aheanite certificate kuri ahuraniri 10, 7 iturwa cia MCA na 3 a iturwa cia ubunge. Oria matuko marathie mairireirie na gukuhiriria githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 noguo na cio ciama na ateti marathie mebangite niguo kuhariria migwi yao kung'ethanira na aruna ao. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ikua wa Boshi.